This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskill. Charming Cape Cod-style all-brick home. Quiet dead-end street in Highland Park, just 60 yards from the Elizabeth River, surrounded by more expensive homes. Great floor plan with large eat-in kitchen and spacious living room with hardwood floors. First floor bedroom and bath could be a master. 2 bedrooms, bath and open area on second floor makes a great suite if desired. Lovely sunroom overlooks wooded backyard. All brick exterior is beautiful and low maintenance. The detached all brick 1-car garage offers great storage for a vehicle and more. For more information, review the details below.